Let's find the sum of this series. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 squared plus 1 over 2 cubed plus 1 over 3 raised to the power 4 plus 1 over 2 raised to the power 5 plus 1 over 3 raised to the power 6 and so on up to infinity. Here we have two different series. One is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 cubed plus 1 over 2 raised to the power 5 and so on up to infinity. And the second one is 1 over 3 squared plus 1 over 3 raised to the power 4 and so on up to infinity. For the first one, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1 over 2 raised to the power 5 and so on up to infinity. Here a is 1 over 2 and the common ratio is 1 over 2 cubed divided by 1 over 2. So a2 over a1 and which gives us 1 over 2 squared or 1 over 4. So sum of this particular series, I am calling it as series 1. So sum of this series will be a over 1 minus r. So that is half over 1 minus 1 over 4. That is half over 4 minus 1 over 4. That is 3 over 4, which is same as 1 over 2 times 4 over 3. And that's 2 over 3. Similarly, for the second part, we had 1 over 3 squared plus 1 over 3 raised to the power 4 plus 1 over 3 raised to the power 6 and so on up to infinity. Here a is equal to 1 over 3 squared, so 1 over 9, and r is equal to 1 over 3 raised to the power 4 divided by 1 over 3 squared, which is same as 1 over 3 squared, or we can say 1 over 9. So the sum of this series will be equal to a 1 over 9 over 1 minus r. So 1 over 9. So that's 1 over 9 divided by 8 over 9 or 1 over 8. So now we know the value of S1 and S2 and that will give you the answer. So it is 2 over 3 plus 1 over 8, which is same as 19 over 24.